Good afternoon. How you doing? I am Chris Thompson. Just left the home office, headed for Damascus to go show something to a buyer. See you there. Mechanicals are good. 04 on the HVAC, 03 on the water tank. Probably gonna need a new one soon. Good washer and dryer, water main. No real corrosion or anything there. That's what we like. Walk out, even better. Good house. Really took me down memory lane because it's the same style as where I grew up and on the same street. They replaced all the deck boards, which was nice, but the rest of the railing and everything still needs to be replaced. The roof on the shed is shot. The roof on the house looks decent. Original, probably original windows, definitely older. But we're going to look at another one on Thursday with these same clients. So let's see. This one may be here by the time we get there. We don't know. The market's just really weird right now. Take care. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.